Is your Mercedes E-Class struggling to connect to Apple CarPlay, leaving you without your maps and music? Studies suggest that 70% of infotainment glitches are resolved by simple software resets rather than expensive hardware repairs. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your system back online. Start with the basics by inspecting your cable, cleaning the USB port, and toggling your phone's Bluetooth settings. If physical checks fail, try forgetting the device in your MBUX settings and removing the car profile from your iPhone. Ensure your phone is running the latest iOS version and double-check that CarPlay restrictions are not active in your settings. While a hard reset often does the trick, persistent errors might require a dealer firmware update or physical port replacement. As you can see, faulty cables are the primary culprit, followed by software configuration errors. If you are technically inclined, check your MBUX software version or run an OBDI scan for hidden communication error codes. Keep a certified cable, some compressed air for the ports, and an OBDI scanner in your trunk for emergency diagnostics. Always prioritize the simplest solution before assuming your Mercedes head unit has completely failed. If these steps didn't solve your connection issues, it is time to visit the dealer for a firmware update.